This looks like a serious SUV. Not flashy, not trying to impress in a parking lot. Just solid, confident, and built with purpose. Because the 2026 Nissan Xterra isn't designed to win attention in a showroom first. It's designed to look ready before the road disappears. And the moment you see it, you realize something important. Nissan didn't bring the Xterra back to chase trends. They brought it back to restore purpose. Let me ask you this. Can an SUV still look tough and modern without pretending to be luxury? That's why you clicked. Because the new Xterra doesn't follow the crossover formula, it challenges it. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Xterra looks upright, squared, and honest. The front end is bold but controlled, with a wide grille and sharp LED headlights that feel functional, not decorative. No fake aggression, no unnecessary drama. Here's what really matters: proportions. Short overhangs, tall stance, wide shoulders. This SUV looks planted, like it's built to handle rough terrain, not just talk about it. Most people overlook this, but Nissan didn't chase sleek aerodynamics here. They focused on visibility, clearance, and durability. And that's exactly what gives the Xterra its character. From the side, the design stays clean and purposeful. Strong wheel arches, straight body lines, and a stance that feels confident without being bulky. At the rear, Nissan keeps things simple and rugged. Vertical elements and a solid tail design that looks ready for real-world use. Now step inside. The interior doesn't scream luxury, but it feels carefully designed. The seating position is high, visibility is excellent, and the dashboard layout feels intuitive. This is where it gets interesting. Nissan focused on usability. Physical buttons feel solid. Controls are easy to reach. No glossy overload. No confusing layouts. Most people expect rugged SUVs to feel cheap inside. The Xterra avoids that mistake. You get a clean digital display, modern infotainment, and smartphone connectivity. But nothing steals attention from driving. The seats are firm and supportive, built for long hours. Here's the key point. This interior isn't trying to impress passengers, it's trying to support the driver. Quick pause. If you appreciate honest SUVs that focus on purpose over hype, subscribe to Motor Edge. Now the truth. The 2026 Nissan Xterra is not a luxury SUV. It doesn't try to be. If you want ambient lighting, soft leather, and badge-driven status, this isn't your vehicle. But if you want solid design, usable space, and an interior that makes sense every day, that's where the Xterra shines. So who is this SUV for? Drivers who value function over fashion. Who should avoid it? Anyone chasing image first. Its biggest strength? Honesty. Its limitation? It doesn't try to impress everyone. Next, we'll talk performance and real-world 4x4 capability. This is Motor Edge. We don't follow trends as we judge purpose.